Hi everyone, it's Kris from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today I'm going to show you one of the most fun things you can do on your embroidery machine with the help of a button that maybe you weren't aware what it could do. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own patch with any design you'd like. So here's what you're going to need. You'll need your embroidery hoop, plus you'll need 2 different stabilizers for this project. We're actually going to hoop our project 2 different times. The first hooping will have cutaway stabilizer, and the second hooping will use washaway stabilizer. Let's head over to the machine and see how it's done. Today I'm going to be working on the Brother Avenir sewing and embroidery machine. This feature is also found on many other Baby Lock and Brother machines as well, so refer to the notes below so you can see if it applies to yours. Let's take a look at the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and go into embroidery, and I'm going to just choose any design I want. So I'm going to go to this first file, and let's go ahead and scroll over to Seasons, and I'm going to choose the hibiscus. This is the design that I want on it, this cute denim jacket I'm super excited about. So right now you can see that it is just a 1-color design. Now, does it have to be a design that is only built into the machine? The answer is no. You can actually use this feature on any embroidery design that you bring into your machine as well. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I've got my hibiscus up and I'm ready to add the applique feature to it. So I'm going to hit Edit. And right here, this little shield, you'll see a shield with a crown. That is the button, that is the ticket. And you can see that it has now created an applique stitch all the way around my design. I'll hit OK, and now embroidery. If you take a look at our color chart now, you're going to see that the hibiscus will stitch out first, and then I have 3 additional stitches that have now automatically been added to my list. Applique material, applique position, and applique. Let's go ahead and stitch out the design first, and then I'll show you how the other parts of the design work. With my 4x4 hoop having the cutaway stabilizer put into it, I'm ready to now add whatever is going to be the base fabric of my applique. And I've just chosen a simple cotton that is in white. I also added a little bit of fusible backing onto the back, just to add a little bit more stability. I'll go ahead and just place that, letting it rest right on top of the hoop. Slide this into my machine, and I'll put my foot down and begin stitching. Now that my design has finished stitching, let's go ahead and take a look at the screen in front of me. You're going to see that the next step is applique material, and it just has an outline right there that is going to do a single stitch around my hibiscus flower. Let's take a look. I'll put my foot down and begin stitching. This part of the stitching is all done. So hoop number 1, taken care of. All right. At this point, this is where you're going to want to take some really sharp scissors. And this has now created an outline for us to follow. And notice how I'm just cutting right on top of that line. You don't want to go too far out from it. You don't want to go too far in, but just directly on those stitches is going to be perfect. Okay, now that that has been cut out, I'll go ahead and take my 4x4 hoop again, and this time I'm actually going to place a washaway stabilizer in here. And I'm going to take it back over to the machine, and the next step is going to stitch out the placement line for my patch. Okay, guys, this is where it gets really fun because this has now done the tack down line for my flower. And I'm going to take just a little bit of a glue stick. You could also use a 505 spray adhesive here. I can put this in the puzzle piece, and I'm lining everything up on those lines. And there we go. All right, now that that's in place, I'm able to take it back to the machine and we'll do a satin stitch and finish this up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am so excited. Look how easy. That was so simple to do. I can't believe it. I'm like, my mind is giddy right now thinking of all the possibilities. So many different things because again, it doesn't have to be just built into the machine. It can be any kind of design that you have. If you want to make it into a patch, this is the way to do it. It just doesn't get any simpler. So let's go back over here and pop this out of the hoop. Again, this is wash away stabilizer. So I'm just going to trim away because I don't have to worry about it. The water's going to rinse the excess away. Take a look, there we go. And I have already stitched it out and rinsed away the excess stabilizer. I added a little bit of Kimberbell double-sided Bond Pro to the back of this, which is going to allow me to peel it off, iron it onto any kind of project I want. Oh, I'm so excited. This is going to be fun. And I'm going to add it onto a denim jacket. I think it's going to be super cute. But can you imagine doing like ball caps this way? Let's say you love a design, but you're really nervous to stitch it onto a sweatshirt or a t-shirt. Make a patch instead. It's way easier. You don't have to worry about puckering. It's the best. So I hope you're inspired. Again, this is the Auto Appliqué button. It is on selected machines from both Brother and Baby Lock. So check out and see if your machine is one of them. And if it is, play, have fun. I can't wait to see your pics. Make sure and post them on the Friends of My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop page. Tag us on social media using the hashtag MyGirlfriendsQuiltShop. Can't wait to see what you make. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.